Hello, people. So, in this COVID 19 pandemic situation that's going on all around the world, including India, we're getting some news like, all of the medical personnel are getting hurt, the nurses are getting pelted by stones. This is a very bad situation. This is a very injustice that's going on outside because these people, don't forget, are outside their own safety, outside their own houses, leaving behind their family just to save us, just to protect us and help us battle out from this COVID 19 pandemic. And instead, we're not at all respecting them, we are harming them. That is not what our humanity speaks to us. So it's a very sad situation that we are going, and we are also seeing it. So please, it's a request to every single one out there, every single people out there, do not do it. Please, it's a request. These people are out of their houses to help you battle out this pandemic. Thank you. Please, everyone, stay home, stay safe.
Hello everyone. As we all know that the population of COVID-19 day by day increasing, the world is going through a period of crisis. But whether we look at is in crisis or an opportunity to reshape our thinking depends on us. So use this period as a lesson on how to live life with a concern for all of humankind. So as a responsible citizen, it is our duty to maintain the all precaution and protocol about COVID-19 and maintain this lockdown period and stay safe at your home. Thank you.
We all know that day by day the number of affected person by COVID-19 increasing. So it is a very bad situation for us. But I want to share you one thing, that don't be panic. Throw all your negative thinking from your mind and obey and maintain the rules, regulation or order which has provided from our central government and state government regarding protective measures against COVID-19. Because if we are not take these following protective measures right now, the COVID-19 will become heavier over us later and it will spread again to the population and the society. So stay at your home, stay safe and enjoy each and every day with your family during lockdown period.
We are all spending a very crucial period due to COVID-19 disease. If we maintain some prevention against this disease, we can easily overcome this period. Please stay in your home, maintain lockdown period, keep a social distance, wash your hands oftenly with hand wash, use sanitizer, cover your nose and mouth with mask. When you are coughing or sneezing, please cover your nose and mouth. Please don't spread any rumors. If you feel sick, then go to doctor for health checkup. Thank you.
Life is of paramount importance. When an epidemic breaks out, a community is issued. It's our responsibility to prevent and control it. The epidemic is a devil, we will not let it hide.
Hello everybody. As we all know that we are going through a very bad circumstances, that is COVID-19 pandemic. The viral global spread has overwhelmed the health system, disrupted the global economy and leads to widespread social disruption. And the fatality is estimated to be 10 times higher than the influenza. And you should not do any panic, only have to keep some protective measures against this disease, as we all know that prevention is better than cure. And wash your hands frequently with the alcohol-based hand rub or soap. Wear mask when go outside, practice respiratory hygiene, maintain social distancing, avoid touching your nose, eyes, mouth, and if you have fever, cough or any respiratory problem, immediately contact with your doctor and quarantine yourself for 14 days. And lastly, stay safe, stay at home, don't be panic and think positive. Thank you.
Be positive and stop negative thinking, and the key to stop negative thoughts in this hour of crisis of COVID-19 is to spare your love and positive energy in every direction for the well-being of the whole humanity.
Hello everyone. As we all know, the pandemic situations of all over the COVID-19 virus all over the world. So if we ignore the situations and don't maintain the lockdown period and social distancing, and then this virus is totally destroy ourselves and destroy our economy also. So be aware of this situation and read the authentic newspaper and authentic journal about COVID-19 virus and use masks and go outside and use soap and sanitize your hands before or meal. And if possible, please download the Arogya Setu app. So please maintain these precautions. By the help of taking these precautions, we shall overcome these situations. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you.
Hello everyone. As we all know that COVID-19 disease is going throughout the world, as well as India is also suffering from this disease. And we all know that there is no medicines or vaccines which act against this disease. So taking few steps, we can protect ourselves against this virus. So all of you, please wash your hands and mouths regular basis, and please must wear mask or any face cover to protect yourself from this virus. Don't make any rumor about this disease. Please follow any appropriate guidelines or any journals or any other appropriate news in regular basis. We will definitely win in this fight. Please stay safe and stay at home. Thank you.
Hello everyone. As we all know that we are going through a very critical condition right now due to the COVID-19 pandemic. And our government is trying their best to fix this situation. And the best thing that we can do to help our government is to stay at our home. Yes. So please help the government to stop the spread of this virus and stay at your home and stay safe. And don't forget to wash your hands frequently and use a mask when you are talking to someone, and also drink a lot of water and intake a lot of nutritious food. So stay healthy, stay safe, and stay at your home. Thank you.
Eat a diet high in fruits and vegetables and try to avoid infections by washing your hands frequently and sanitizing it properly. Stay healthy, stay hygienic.